Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel Glossips. Today's video is about a skincare brand that I came across randomly, not at all expecting that I would fall in love with its products. And the brand that I'm talking about is Makari. So Makari as a brand actually helps us out with a lot of those skin issues that we deal with on a daily, like dark circles, hyperpigmentation, scars left after acne breakouts, wrinkles, fine lines, uneven skin tone or texture, and also rejuvenating our existing skin. I personally came across Makari when I waxed my face, got folliculitis, and that actually left very tough pigmentation spots on my face, and that wouldn't go no matter what I tried. Then before that I was also dealing with a lot of acne, and then those acne turned into scars so stubborn they would just not leave, and I tried everything in the world, you trust me with that, but this was the only brand that actually worked. Yes, it requires patience like a lot of the skincare brands, so don't just quit on something because you think it's not working. Every skincare product takes 4 to 8 weeks to properly sink into your skin and then start showing its results to you. Now the main question comes that where do we actually get our hands on these products? In Pakistan. Well, don't you worry about that. I have all of that figured out. So Vegas Cosmetics is actually their official distributor and partner. So you can get the original products, original Makari products from Vegas Cosmetics. I have actually linked them down in the description box, but not just that. The brand was actually super sweet to be giving my followers a discount code because they knew how much I loved their products and have endorsed them before as well. So thank you so much Makari for offering my followers this discount right here. Before I start, I would like to mention that all of the products that I'm going to be using right now are actually for my skin type, obviously, which is oily, acne-prone skin. But don't you worry about that. There's actually a variant for each and every product that I will be using right now in your skin type. So a little tip for my Pakistani viewers right now, go to Makari's website, which is also mentioned in the description box, choose your skin type and then shop for your products from Vegas accordingly. So that's how I do it as well, and that's how you should do it as well. And for my viewers in the US, you can actually just shop from the website directly. Now I'm going to remove my makeup using the deep cleansing face lotion, which by the way is so gentle, it's not irritating at all, and it deep cleanses while removing my makeup and takes away all the skin impurities while unclogging my pores. I actually love the ingredients that it has in it, like it has glycolic acid, salicylic acid and citric acid, which are actually great for your skin. Hold on a minute, have you actually checked out what cool packaging it actually has? I mean, I'm in love with the packaging itself because it's so royal, so bougie. So, love the packaging. Moving on to exfoliation. So I have personally tried out 2 of Makari's variants right here. These both are exfoliators. If you don't already know, sulfur is actually the enemy of your breakouts and your blemishes and all of that. It comes and kicks right into your skin and fights with all of those acne and acne scars, and if there's any sebum production happening, it helps control that. And this is packaging goals. I love the fact that this comes in this box where I can actually keep it back, because I only use this on days when I have extreme acne coming up on my skin, or you know that time when you actually know that you're about to have acne. I start using this then, and only once or twice in a week, not more than that. So I have actually seen this soap work for me so nicely. I mean, it does wonders. I personally love it. The other exfoliator that I use for physical exfoliation is this one right here, which is the Makari's Pure Radiance Exfoliation Scrub. So if you know me, you know that I'm very anti physical exfoliants because I feel they're very harsh on your skin. So when I came across this product right here, I was like, oh my god, this also has particles in it. It might just turn out really harsh for my skin. The curiosity actually made me dive right into their ingredients, and then I found out that those scrubbing particles are actually papaya, pineapples, pomegranates and strawberry fruit enzymes. They are nothing harsh. So I was like, okay, wow, this is like a literal fruit bowl in a bottle, you know. So I was really glad that this product was not at all harsh on my skin. It gently just buffs away all the dullness and all of the impurities without clogging my pores. Best part, without clogging my pores, it takes away all of that. But I love the fact that my skin instantly feels radiant right after I'm done exfoliating with this very product. Once again, never overuse an exfoliator. It's only meant to be used once or maximum twice a week, never more than that, or it's just going to mess up your skin. Now that the skin is cleansed and exfoliated, it's time to move on to the toner right here. And I so want to talk about the packaging of this very toner. I mean, this sits on my skincare shelf and it looks like it's something so... I don't even have the word for it. I mean, it's just so bougie. It's so pretty. Just look at it. I mean, I'm completely in love with this packaging right here. Now I'm just going to tone my skin using the Purifying Cleansing Face Toner. This is actually an amazing product for oily skin because it controls your sebum production, minimizes your pores visibly, prevents future breakouts, and leaves your skin toned and so super bright that it's addicting. No kidding. So if your skin doesn't work well with products that have alcohol in it, it probably might not suit you. And the other thing is that this has a very strong scent to it, which I personally love. But if you're allergic to fragrant products, this is not going to suit you because of the fragrance. Moving on to the next product, which is Makari's Keratonic Extreme Toning Serum. So let me tell you one thing, this very serum has actually become a holy grail of mine. Like, I can't go a day without applying it, and I use this as my AM moisturizer. This actually just sinks into your skin and I love that. It's not greasy at all. It is infused with vitamin C and E and carrot oil, which actually helps heal acne, blemishes, scars, and clears dark spots, which I had a lot of on my face, and this is visibly working on my skin, making them go away. The reason why I use this as an AM moisturizer is because it has SPF. SPF protects the skin from the sun's harmful rays, but it does only have SPF 15. So you have to layer on the sunscreen no matter what, you can't skip it. But it can be used as a day and nighttime serum. I personally prefer to use it AM. Another really amazing thing about this product is that you can use this on your face and you can use it on your body. So I have tried this on my face, but now I'm currently trying this on the dark areas on my body, like my knuckles and my elbows, and I'm trying to see what sort of results do I get over there. So this can actually be used both ways. As you know that vitamin C and E plus carrot oil, they help you improve your skin's tone as well as your skin's texture. I'm not sure if you know this or not, but finding a good moisturizer for people with oily skin is actually one of the toughest tasks. And I actually showed you a sneak peek of this moisturizer in my previous video, and today I'm going to talk about it. The Makari's Blue Crystal Face Moisturizer is actually one of my recent additions to the entire Makari skincare range, and I've only been using this for 2 months till now. The consistency of this product was more on the thicker side, so I used to use this as a nighttime moisturizer. However, in the winters, I've started using this AM and PM, and trust me, no other moisturizer can hydrate better than this moisturizer for me now. So this has actually come into my holy grails as well. I don't know how many Makari holy grails do I need to have, but this is definitely one of them. It's actually in my skincare stash all the time. The ingredients in this moisturizer help in erasing fine lines, wrinkles, aging spots, dark spots, and blemishes. It even brightens the complexion while providing an even toned radiance. One more thing, this moisturizer right here has vitamin C in it, after which it is very important for you to use an SPF if you're going out in the day. If you just use it like that and go out in the day, you're actually prone to getting sunburnt and your skin's going to get sensitive, and you might even get some hyperpigmentation spots, which I don't think any of us would want. Another thing that I came across while I was researching regarding this product was from the customer reviews, people who've actually used it with dry skin. This actually hydrates people with dry skin as well, and also worked pretty nicely for people with delicate skin. But one more thing, again, this product is also very, very fragrant. So if you're allergic to fragrances, this might not be for you. If you're an old follower, you know how many times I have featured this one product in almost each and every of my skincare video. And by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me here right now. अभी तो वैसे भी शादियां चल रही हैं और बड़े मजे मजे की stories लगा रही होंगी मैं, so why don't you want to be updated with that? Go ahead, check it out. If someone asks me that I have to use one skincare product for the rest of my life and I won't get access to any skincare in the world, which product would that be? It would be this one right here. Take my word on that. The story goes like this. This was actually the first ever Makari product that I used. This is the product because of which I actually invested in all of these products to try out the skincare range because I loved this. When I was researching, I realized that this product isn't even meant for my skin type. It's meant for dry and maturing skin. And mine is oily and acne prone skin. That just made me blow my mind. I was like, what just happened? I cannot deal with this. So I got a little curious and I started looking into this. So I figured that because these are natural, cruelty-free products, they would have either not worked for me or they would have worked for me, but they wouldn't have harmed my skin even if this is not meant for my skin type. Thank God, thank God. After my skincare regime, this is basically the last product that I use on my skin because this is the product that locks all of my skincare in and works overnight. When I wake up in the morning, I can visibly see bright and glowy and plump skin. I mean, there's no way that I can deny it. And I use this product 3 times in a week. I have to mention this right here that this product did not work as well for me in the beginning of when I started using it as it does now, as it does today. I mean, I can actually see the results. And if I stopped using it back then, trust me, I'd be missing out on the best skincare product. That is why you actually need to be very patient with your skincare because it takes time. Your skin is going to take time to adapt to the skincare that you're applying on it and for all of those skincare ingredients to properly work on your skin. Just be patient with it and you will eventually see the results coming through. I hope that this was an informative plus a fun video for you guys and you enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!